You're saying like every person has a healing energy in them, and can you elaborate a little bit on
I'd be very happy to, Nick. It's a great question. And this comes from the experience. When I was studying Reiki, I was taught you need a Reiki master. You need to have these symbols. You need what's called an attunement. You need the master to come and open your chakras for you. And my teachers taught me that, so I believed it. The books that I read said that, so I believed it. The previous book that I wrote, I just repeated that. Until around about 2015, I realized that can't be the way the universe is organized, that you must have somebody and pay them a certain amount of money to open your chakras. It's like, there must be a way I can do it myself. And the answer is through lifestyle. And we've already touched on these topics a bit already. You mentioned plant-based diet. I've mentioned exercise. We both talked about meditation. I explained about grounding a moment ago. You have all these ways to improve your energy. There's another chapter in the book. It's called De-Mystifying Reiki. Most people think it's something really special, really magic, way out there. And it's not. It's right here. It's in our hearts. The simplest example, if your daughter, Yada, falls down and cries, you pick her up and hold her. And in a couple of minutes, she's not crying anymore. Whatever the boo-boo was, Daddy fixed it because you love her. And she knows you love her and you're going to fix it. What if we did that for ourselves? You have a bad day at the office, your boss yells at you for something, you're like, God, I hate my boss. I'm like, wait, hating my boss isn't really going to solve the problem. But where it hurts, where I'm angry, is right here. I'm thinking my boss is a jerk, my boss is unfair. I don't want to be that kind of employee or that kind of a boss. If I'm the boss and I was unfair to somebody, I'm like, I put my hands on my heart with my intention. Like I realized I did something that wasn't suitable, or something happened to me that I didn't really like. Because I'm taking the time to take care of myself, taking 10 minutes out of my day, I don't need magic. I don't need a guru. I need 10 minutes to put my hands on my heart. In this case, I'm dealing with emotional upset. And I can breathe in and out, observe my breathing, go into a meditation, and just knowing that, okay, the heart is the center of human emotions. I think we all generally accept that. There's nothing special or magical or esoteric about that. And I just take the time. You'll find that when you take 10 minutes to put your hands on your heart because you're feeling some emotional upset, you feel better. Another example might be if you're giving a presentation, you're going to Singapore for a presentation or something, and you're like, oh my God, my presentation's in 3 minutes. Put your hand on your belly. You know the expression, butterflies in your stomach. Right. It means you're nervous, and you're like, oh God, I can't eat anything. Put your hands down there. And here we're dealing with the anxiety, those intense emotions. Sit down somewhere for, 5 minutes. I'm taking the time to heal myself with my natural healing energy. Now, you could call it Reiki if you like. That's what it is. There are 100 different words for it in 100 different languages. We all have it. It's our energetic immune system, which means we are all energetic beings. When we greet our friends, we shake their hands, or in Thailand, we show respect in this way. We hug each other. Some cultures, you kiss on the cheek. All of that is an energy. It means I care about you. I love you. I'm happy to see you. I wish you well. All of that works with our friends and families. It works with ourselves. Whether it's your heart or your stomach or your brow, anywhere else.